In environmental regulations, something always new is happening, and every facility has to deal not only with its current requirements, but be prepared for the new requirements that are pending and they're going to hit during the course of their operations. And one of the biggest challenges for that is determining whether it's even applicable to your facility or not. Some of the rules are very complicated, and you need to go into gory detail in order to find out whether it's applicable. And that's something that they can call us and help us, have us help them determine the applicability of a new rule, whether it's going to be a big deal to them or whether it's going to be easy to incorporate into their current program. SAGE assists them with the new regulations, especially by keeping up to date on the progress of a bill going through Congress sometimes. After the regulations, being able to sit down and actually read the preamble to the rule, read all the gory details that the facility manager, the facility personnel is not going to have time to do that. So we have our specialists go through and keep track of each of those regulations and develop a set of kind of guidance for what's applicable and what's not to a facility, so that we're prepared to talk to them when it comes time to say, hey, is this rule going to affect me? And we do that several ways. One, like I said, we track the regulations. We interact with the trade associations that also have maybe made comments. In some cases, we've helped develop the rule itself with the help of the trade association that represents the industry, the stakeholders. In other cases, we find out what the specific processes are at the facility and then go back and check the rule to see if things are really applicable to them. Some of the biggest rules that this might apply to, for example, are the air toxics or hazardous air pollutants rules called the NESHAP rules. There's been, started out there was going to be about 63 of them. There's now several hundred of these rules. And some of them, like the Rice MACT rule, as it's called, is one of the most complicated, convoluted rules out there. And so everybody needs a little assistance sorting that one out because of the way it was promulgated as well as the way it finally came out. Other rules, such as the Boiler MACT, apply to generally everyone that has a boiler. That regulation changed during the promulgation, and now it applies to fewer sources, but it's still a very critical rule. It has even some direct implication for even the smaller heating sources, heaters and boilers. SAGE would be happy to help our clients with both the initial determination of applicability of new regulations, as well as incorporating into their environmental management programs to show long-term compliance with the rule once it's established and deemed applicable for the facility.